I have a problem. So this morning, New Year's Day, I was just scrolling through Facebook and I see an ad posted from my local anime shop that everything in the store is 20% off. So naturally, me and my boyfriend went there and I bought a thing. Oh yeah. So he was originally $50. He was on sale. I got it $10 off. So he was only like $40, like $42 with tax and everything. And I figured I'd do a little unboxing because I like doing unboxing videos and I love my beautiful baby boy Bakugou. I figured why not just do it. I'm also hella desperate for some new content on this channel. I'm trying 2020, the year of Dezi trying. So I know I'm not opening it like I did in my last box opening where it was just my camera, but I have a totally different setup. I'm in my living room now, if you couldn't tell. He's protected by all the cardboards. This little hand coming through to grab you. You should probably have a knife, but I don't. I'm gonna go grab one really quick. YouTube, please don't demonetize me because I had a sharp object on screen. I'm sorry, I'm just trying to open my box. Release him. The stand. Put that down there. Give me my beautiful boy. Oh, he looks so good. He looks so good. Stuck on his spiky hair. Hello. There's so many kids in my neighborhood and they're always in my yard. And can y'all not? Can you go? Oh, he's so beautiful. Oh. Alright, here he is right out of the box. Look at that beautiful, sweet baby boy. I love him so much, my trash goblin. Pose. This is a sturdy figure. He's probably the most sturdy figure I own. Like, he is solid. Alright, I'm gonna go put him up on my shelf and then we're gonna do a little, like, you know, my aesthetic camera work where I show you how beautiful he is up close.
Like I'm Bakugou, turn they soda fucking small, yeah. Bitch, I'm better pop, bitch, you know I'm better blow. Only need these hands, I don't need no fucking pole, yeah. Once I get a grip, I might blast your fucking dome. Like I'm Bakugou, turn they soda fucking small.
There he is. I'm starting my own little Bakugou shrine, it seems like. I don't know how this started, but I got the Nendoroid for Christmas from my wonderful boyfriend. I have, since we've started dating pretty much, I've just been talking about how much I've wanted this stupid figure and he got it for me for Christmas this year and I love him. My friend Beth got me the signed picture from his voice actor. I love it so much. And now I've got this beautiful baby. And I've got my pastel gauntlet. The other one is over there. And then all my other ones are in my cosplay room. But yeah, there they are, my beautiful baby boys. So that's pretty much it. It was a really, really easy, quick box opening. I kind of just want to start doing box openings of every figure I get so you guys can go along this journey of my collection that keeps growing. I'm running out of space for all my weeb shit. I need a bigger house. I don't know what to do. Anyway, Happy New Year. Thank you guys so much for watching. And I'll see you all in the next heckin' video. Bye.